Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to reverse the given number. Variable n equal to integer of input of enter the number. I am closing the double quotation, closing the input statement, closing the int function. The input statement display the string, enter the number in the user's console. When user enter a number, input statement receive the number as a string, in function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. Now I am having a two variable d equal to 0, r equal to 0. D is the variable going to hold the integer digit, R is going to hold the reverse of the given number. Now I am writing the while loop. While the variable n greater than 0 colon. While is the keyword for the while loop. N greater than 0 is the condition and followed by the colon. If the condition is true, the control will come inside the body of the while loop. To write something inside the body of the while loop, you have to give a tab space that stands for the scope of the while loop. So now the variable d equal to n modulo 10. Modulo operator divides the variable n by 10 and return the remainder to the variable d. So the value of the variable is get divided by 10 and the remainder is written, it is stored in the variable d. Now r equal to existing value of r multiplied with 10 plus d. So the existing value of r is multiplied with 10 plus the remainder is get added with the value and the total is stored in the variable r. Now n equal to n double slash is the integer division, it will omit the fractional part. So the existing value of n is divided by 10, fractional part will get omitted and the remaining whole part is stored in the variable n. So these are the statement in the body of the while loop. Again the control will come here and check n greater than 0, then the same three steps are repeated. While n greater than 0 become false, on the time the control will come out of the while loop, that means the next statement after the while loop. So here I am writing a statement, print the reversed number is colon closing the double quotation followed by the variable r. Now we will take a sample input and check how this program works. For n, I am taking the value 153, d equal to 0, r equal to 0. So here existing value of d equal to 0, r equal to 0. The control will come and check the value 153 greater than 0, that is true. On the time d equal to n modulo 10. So d equal to 153 modulo 10 will return the remainder 3. So d will have the value 3. Reverse equal to existing value of reverse into 10 plus d. So what is the existing value of reverse? This is 0. 0 multiplied with 10 plus 3, which is equal to 3. R is having a value 3. N equal to n integer division of 10, that is 153 integer division of 10. So 153 is divided by 10, the value is 15.3. In integer division, the fraction part will get omitted, that's why the value of n is 15 now. Now, the condition is checked, 15 greater than 0, the condition is true. Control will come to the body of the while loop, d equal to n modulo 10. 15 modulo 10 is 5, d is having a value 5 now. R equal to existing value of R multiplied with 10, that is 3 multiplied with 10 plus the value of d. The value of d is 5 now. So we are having 35. Now n equal to n integer division of 10. That is 1.5, 0.5 will get omitted, n is become 1 now. Now to check, 1 greater than 0 condition is true, d equal to n modulo 10. 1 modulo 10 is 1, d is having a value 1. R equal to existing value of R multiplied with 10, that is existing value of R is 35 multiplied with 10, that is 350 plus the value of d. Value of d is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 351. N equal to n integer division of 10. So the 1 is become 0.1, fraction part will get omitted. So the value of n equal to 0. Now control will come here and check 0 greater than 0 false if you come and print the reversed number is and put in the value in the R. Value in the R is 351 is my output. What is my input? 153 is the input. My output is 351, that is the value is reversed. So this program will work perfectly for any number. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.